In today's video, we are reacting to Madonna, Human Nature. Let's get into it.
This is awesome already. Like the music is just so unusual. Hair.
Yeah, her hair's good.
Let me say the words I know to say. You didn't want to see life through my eyes. You tried to shove me back inside your narrow road and silence me with bitterness and lies. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know we couldn't talk about sex. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't speak my mind. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry.
So interesting.
Yeah. I wonder if they accidentally hurt themselves by like bleeding against the box.
It actually looks painful.
Yeah.
You took my words and made a track for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break. Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about sex. I must have been crazy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about you. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature.
Your face. The dog?
Don't bring the dog into this, man.
The dog's kind of cute though.
Don't do that to the dog.
Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know we couldn't talk about sex. Must have been crazy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know we couldn't talk about you. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. Your bitch can't hang your shit on me. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. Your bitch don't hang your shit on me. It's human nature. 'Cause I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. Your bitch don't hang your shit on me. Absolutely no regrets.
Come on, you can't go.
Wait. I feel like she did that as a... I feel like she did that for fun, like in the end, because she's gonna smile at the end.
just like a blooper type thing.
Yeah, I don't know.
Wow. We did just watch that.
Yeah. You know, I respect for what it respect for what it stands for. As a song, I liked the hook, but I don't know if I liked it as a song as a whole.
Well, like for
Just
me,
from like a musical point of view.
yeah, my first thoughts is I don't like the musicality of it. I get how people can like it. I understand and I understand what it's doing. Also, that guy has fear written in the back of his head, which is very interesting.
Yeah.
I get what it's doing, and I like the message. I like what she's trying to do, and I like the message. It's basically she said something that the media didn't like, and everybody was trying to this is like pre-cancel culture canceling, you know? And she's over here all I'm not sorry for what I said. Don't care. Sorry. Hate all you want. She's blocking out the haters. She doesn't care, you know? And that's what she's trying to say. This is basically a diss track before it was cool.
So Madonna invented the diss track.
Pretty much. She's over here inventing diss tracks. And that's the entire point of the song. This is literally a retaliation song.
Yeah.
It's literally what this was made to do.
It's kind of cool. This song, the genre is more like R&B or like a soul type.
So
I don't know. It's deeper into that genre than she normally does, I think.
Mm-hmm.
It actually, the verse reminds me of a different song, and I can't place it, but it's like it's like the same rhythm or whatever in the verse.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But yeah, it reminds me of something else. But yeah, I mean overall, I didn't hate this.
Yeah, no, I didn't either. I just personally, when
yeah, I just I don't know if I'd listen to this again.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like we got a lot of our thoughts out, so I'll give my rating.
Oh, we're not gonna do an after show.
Yeah,
I don't know what else we.
I don't know what else we can really say about this one. I mean, yeah, I also thought it was very interesting. It was would it sound better if it was coming from a man? That's a true statement.
Yeah, I also I like that.
Yeah, that is such a true statement. It's just very interesting. I mean, I don't know. It was wild, and I'm not a fan of wild stuff. And this is the wildest it's gonna get on the channel. By the way, I don't want to do erotica because of
we watched part of it, and it's probably gonna get taken down.
Yeah,
if we were to.
And this was just tame enough, I feel. I say that, it was not tame. But,
yeah, this says it... Sorry to interrupt.
It's not tame, it's just, The
Wikipedia says that this song kind of begins in a trip-hop style. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like it's just kind of a slightly different genre than she normally does, which is cool.
Mm-hmm.
I like it when artists branch out past their normal genre.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it sounded very much like a na 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 type song, in a way,
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But I thought it was good. I thought what she's doing was good. Just musicality wise, it's not my favorite.
I agree.
Rating?
Wait, what did you rate it?
I didn't rate it yet.
Oh, I don't know, a 5.
It's just I give it a 5.5 because the meaning is what gives it the 5.5.
Yeah, I think that's why. I think if it wasn't the meaning, I would have rated it lower.
Yeah. Yeah. The 5.5 is what literally is from the meaning. So, but anyways, guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and leave a comment. Let us know what we should react to next. Don't get too mad at us in the comments for this one. Please. It's been Tyler.
And Marissa.
And we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.